Hello YouTube. So today I have a question. Do you know why you should change your brake rotors? Or how would you know that you actually need brake rotors? So today's video I'm gonna be showing you why you need your brake rotors. How should you know? So stay with me here. As you can look here, I got two brake rotors here, and you can actually tell the difference. This is the old one. I just remove it. So this is a brake rotor. If you look the service area where these brake pads sit on it, this place is very rough, very rough. If you flip it over, you can tell these brake rotors have seen good days, bad days, and it's time for them to get changed. This service area should be smooth, just like this one here. So same case with the brake pads. This one they even started chipping off. They must be very old. This one, the second one, it's actually worn out completely. There's like nothing at all. So now let's see this one compared to this one. See, this one has a much meat left right here, compared to this has nothing. That's why you need a new one. So that's how you can tell that you actually need a brand new brake service. I mean, you need the brakes or brake service. Anyways, now how can you tell? When you're driving the vehicle and you apply your brakes, with this kind of condition, you will hear some very weird noise, because this one is rubbing metal to metal, so the noise is gonna be very weird. So you might wanna either, if you have the knowledge, or follow my other YouTube video that I made on how to change the rotors. Check off your wheel. They take it off the wheel. Observe this service area. See the condition. Look at your brake pads. If you don't want to do it yourself, when you apply brakes and you hear that weird noise from the wheels, then you might need to take to mechanic and take a look at your brakes. But driving with this condition, it's actually very dangerous. You might apply brakes where you're right next to a vehicle, and you end up causing an accident. So if your brakes are not good, don't drive it. Have it changed, or you can follow my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos to do it yourself, or you have a mechanic do it for you. If you have any question, please comment down below. If you have any idea, I mean any advice, any kind of comment down below. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more educational video like this one. Bye for now.